Welcome to the world of game development. This video will guide you through the basics of audio and animation in Visual Studio and Unity 3D. Visual Studio, primarily used for C# scripting within Unity, offers a robust environment for code editing, debugging, and project management. Unity 3D, a powerful game engine, allows you to bring your creative visions to life by integrating assets, scripts, and scenes into interactive experiences. Audio and animation are crucial for creating engaging user experiences, and this tutorial is designed for complete beginners, requiring no prior experience. Let's begin with audio basics in Unity 3D. An audio source is a component that plays a sound within your game. To add an audio source, first create a new game object, for example, named MySoundObject. Next, attach an audio source component to this game object through the inspector panel. Now, let's import audio files into your Unity project. Common formats include MP3, WAV, and OGG. Each format has its uses: WAV for high quality, MP3 for smaller file sizes, and OGG for compressed, looping audio. Once imported, assign an audio clip to the audio source component by dragging it into the audio clip slot. You can adjust basic properties like volume to control loudness, and pitch to change the sound's speed or frequency. The loop option makes the sound repeat continuously, while Play on Awake plays the sound automatically when the game starts. Spatial Blend determines if the sound is 2D or 3D. To play audio with a script, create a simple C# script to trigger the audio clip on a key press. Attach this script to a game object in your scene and ensure it has a reference to the audio source. Moving on to animation basics in Unity 3D. The animation window is where you create and edit animations. It's helpful to dock the animation window for easy access while you're working. To create an animation clip, select a game object, like a simple cube or sphere that you wish to animate. Then, in the animation window, click Create New Clip and save it in your project. Keyframes define the animation over time. You add them to the animation timeline to mark specific points. Animate transform properties like position, rotation, and scale to create basic movement for your object. Use the animation window controls to preview your animation and refine it by adjusting keyframes and properties. You can also set the animation to loop continuously within the animation window settings. Now, let's explore audio basics in Visual Studio. We'll start by creating a new Windows Forms application project. Add a button control to the form from the toolbox. To import a WAV file, add it to the project's resources via Project, Properties, Resources. We'll use the System, Media.SoundPlayer class to play the audio file. Double-click the button on your form to generate a click event handler in the code. Inside the event handler, write the code to play the audio when the button is clicked. Next, let's cover animation basics in Visual Studio. We'll animate a shape in a Windows Forms application. Add a shape control, such as a rectangle, to the form, and also add a timer control from the toolbox. Enable the timer, and in its tick event handler, change the shape's properties like location, size, or color. Use the refresh method to update the display after each property change. Now for some helpful tips and best practices for audio. Always use appropriate audio file formats for different use cases. Optimize audio files to reduce their size and improve game performance. In Unity, utilize audio mixers for better control over sound levels and effects. For animation, keep your animations short and subtle to avoid overwhelming the user. Employ gradual, nonlinear easing for natural movement, and avoid distracting animations. In Unity, explore the Animator controller for managing complex animation states and transitions. Keep learning and experimenting. There are vast resources available online for both Visual Studio and Unity 3D. Consider exploring advanced topics like 3D audio and spatial sound for immersive experiences. Delve into animation state machines for more sophisticated character behaviors. Learn to create more complex animations and integrate audio and animation seamlessly with game logic. Thank you for watching. We invite you to subscribe for more content and continue your journey in game development. Remember, anyone can learn game development with dedication and practice. Your creative journey has just begun.